job in the city. I got a house with a guest room, I don't know who's there. Got a person that loves me. She hates the way that I talk, I smoke, I stare. I'm a king in a castle. I'm the ghost in the cornholes cut out in the sheets. I'm about to be 30. I'm dead and I'm gone, that's alright with me. Just give me something to live for. Give me something to do when I turn out the light. So hard being honest, but I'll try. Everything's fine right now. Everything's fine. I'm storming the castle. I'm turning my head 180 degrees. My whole body is hurting. I'm burning my last will and testimony. Calling friends from high school. Telling people I love them, they don't know my name. Writing songs for my parents. They've always been there for me, hope that I do the same. Just give me something to